We are here right now to unbox a FabFitFun winter. You know, I haven't received these box for a while. I was going through a whole year of membership and I completely stopped receiving them. I just stopped receiving them. I don't know why. And I miss them very much. And I'm so happy to announce you that they reached to me. They asked me, hey Heidi, do you want one of the box sets? You will get $250 value box where you pay $49.99. Again, with your first box, you can use my code right there. Very simple, $10 off. Use it. Let's unbox this one and see what they have for the winter 2019. Nice. First things first. Here's the magazine. You always receive this and they let you know everything about the box inside. Like, this is beautiful. Who is this lady? Maria Chiver. On the most important thing in the woman's life. You know it. So the deal is like this. This is a seasonal box that comes every season. Winter right now, spring, summer, and fall. What I love about FabFitFun is that you get way more than just beauty. You get lifestyle products, which are very helpful sometimes. Sometimes you look at them and you're like, I'll never buy that. That's so expensive. Another thing that I really like about this brand is that almost every brand that they promote and they have in their boxes are woman-owned companies. So nice. So let's start with the first product that I see here. I'm not gonna go into any order. Hopefully I can see everything. Yeah, we have 3 pages of products, so that means that we have a lot of products in these boxes. Some of them are customizable, others are not. If you are an annual member, they let you customize more your boxes than if you are not. So that's a good thing about being an annual member, because you basically know for sure that you're gonna like your box. So let's start with this one. Very funny title. Guess what? You will be naked in a minute. Original coffee scrub. This is $20. I normally don't use this a lot, but I heard that this is really good for exfoliating your skin, get rid of cellulite, and help with the circulation and rejuvenate and detoxify your skin. So this is going to be amazing. Second product I see in the box is this one by the brand Karuna. This is a face for all face and eye mask sets. So this is basically bunch of masks, and if you know your girl, if you know your girl, you know your girl likes masks like crazy. Oh my god, there's so many, and they're like all of them for different things: clarifying, brightening, antioxidant, age definer, hydrating, exfoliant, and renewable eye mask. Wow, this is a lot. So have for me, for my mom, and all my friends, basically. Maybe a pajama day, or how do you call those? Pajama parties, or maybe for Christmas Day. Come to my house. I just recorded a video of Dry Bar, and look what I have in here. This is a very similar product. No, it's not similar. I thought it was. This is a Prime and Prep Detangle by Dry Bar. So my hair gets super detangled, super tangled, super tangled when I wash it. Maybe if you can see my video from Dry Bar that I just made today. I don't know which video is gonna go first. I think that one is gonna go after this one, because I need to upload this one. I'm partnering with FabFitFun and they asked me to upload this video as soon as possible. Right, so this is a product by the brand LXMI. This is a nurturing oil hydration lotion for the face. It's a weird combination. It says there is 100% organic balm to oil deep nurtures and as hydrated, dries, and protects the skin. So it says that just go ahead and apply it and massage it into the skin. This little guy right here is $38. I never heard of this brand before, but it says that it's organic. It's cruelty free. I think this is a good product. I mean, that is organic and it's so nurturing. I will give it a try as soon as I finish with my skincare regimen that I'm doing right now. The next product that I see here is by the brand Gushio or Kushio. It's Yoga Ha, Yoga, Yoga Ha, Yoga, Yoga Ha, Yoga, Yoga Ha, Yoga Ha. Okay. It is scary or it is good. I think it will be Yoga Ha. This is a hand cleanser and body wash. I think if it's already tackled to be body wash, I'm gonna use it as a body wash, especially because it's $39.95. It's gonna be a body wash. Oh, ay! I don't know what it smells like, but it's a mess. It's a mess. A little bit of woody smell to it. I like it. So this is gonna be a body wash, no hand wash. This is too expensive for hand wash. The next product that I see here is by the brand Erno Laszlo. I think that's how you pronounce it. Pore cleansing clay mask. That it has kaolin and bentonite clay that remove impurities while infusing with moisture and nutrients into it. So this will clean your skin, but it won't dry it. So this is interesting. Again, I'm not gonna be using anything that is skincare from this box until I finish my regimen. I really like the packaging of this. And this is worth $48. Wow. Ooh, I wanted to get one of these. How they knew it. How you knew it, FabFitFun. How you knew it. Makeup eraser in the original pink. So these guys erase everything from your face. Just be gentle. Don't do it too harsh. Not like, no, be gentle. Be like, very gentle. Vegan friendly, cruelty free, 50 times thinner than the human hair fibers. So it's very fine and delicate. You can keep using this for 3 to 5 years. So this will last you forever, 5 years basically. You wash it, dry it, use it, wash it, dry it, and use it. Amazing. I love it. Say bye-bye to the wipes. Even though I don't use white for my face, if you do, say bye-bye to this thing. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye to wipes. I'm going to be using this as soon as today. The makeup eraser is $20. Un high marshmallow. Marshmallow. I haven't opened it and I already know I'm going to love it. I love blankets. I have an obsession with blankets, guys. Like, my linen closet is just blankets and more blankets and more blankets. And if I could get more blankets, I keep getting blankets. So, so far, I think this is my favorite thing in the entire box. Oh, big. I thought it was going to be smaller. This is big. Wow, 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 wow. This is humongous. This is big, 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 big. Oh my god, it's so soft. I love it. I already imagine myself with this little blanket. Oh, it's so soft. On the couch with a coffee. Editing my videos. Oh my god, this is the best. This guy is $65. Oh my god. But I'm telling you, it's worth it. So good. Let's see what is the value of these pots. I have here my trusting calculator. And we have the coffee scrub that is $16.95. We have the makeup eraser that is $20. The Gusho Yoga that is $39.95. And we have the dry bar, the prime frame detangle. This is $23. And we had the fade mask by the brand Karuna. This is $42. Then we had the clay eye by the brand Erno Laszlo. I think that's how you say it. Again, this is $48. Then we had this lotion for hydrating the skin that is $28. And the big nice blanket that is $65. And our box is $282.90. Just a reminder, this box was sent to me by FabFitFun. If you are in United States, Canada, or UK, you can receive this box. And also, don't forget to use my code up here. It's not an affiliate code. I don't make any money out of it. It's just for you to save $10 for your first box. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like high-end makeup and a little bit of fashion, please consider subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!